Hi guys, let's start with the weekly target for this week. So go to link cetking.com/weekly. I've uploaded the complete weekly target. So what I've done is, rather than looking at the bigger picture, I'm giving CAT, SNAP, CET. It is scary. Trust me, time is scary. We've got 25 weeks for the CAT exam, 174 days. So we have a ticker here to scare you for the CAT preparation. And same way, 39 weeks for the CET exam. And we have a ticker here for the CET exam. Yeah, this should be CET, not CAT written there. So CAT and CET ticker is there in front of us to scare you कि नहीं भैया time कम है. Now this is a bigger picture. Yeah, 25 weeks. How will you study for that many months? 6 months. This that. So let's break it up into the weekly target. So this is my way to motivate my student by giving them the weekly target. So to all my students, those who have already joined us or those who are trying to join us, forget about what happened last week. Why and focus on only on this week. Let's not look at the past. Let's not look at the future. Only cover up these weekly targets. And you are in sync with your preparation for the CAT exam, CET exam, all the exams. So these are the topics we're going to cover up this week. Area, volume, DI logic games, odd sentence out in verbal, symbols and inequality on Friday. Now Friday the star, matlab this is a pure non-CAT exam based topic. CAT wala people can have a off. But if you're preparing for the non-CAT exam, IFT, SNAP, NMAT, you will be facing this topic. So let's do it. Yeah, kind of thing. And Wednesday games is purely for the CAT students. CET wala people don't need to attend that lecture. Okay. So this is the timetable for this week. I give one timetable. I don't give a separate timetable because most of the time 90% Janta is anyway going to prepare for both the exams. Yeah, or at least multiple exams. So they will need that. So launching this new batch on 8th, 9th and 10th. MB introduction, why MB, all about things, how CETing will work and this and that. That's a kind of first lecture which is happening tomorrow, Monday. Tuesday is verbal introduction and Wednesday is DI logic. So I'll be taking these 3 sessions and then evening I'll be taking area and volumes. This week we're focusing on areas and volumes. Area is the simplest topic. If you see, this is a mensuration topic. I am picking up mensuration first and geometry will do afterward. Geometry is scary, no doubt. Geometry is vast. एरिया वॉल्यूम में फॉर्मूला ही नहीं है यार, फॉर्मूला है बस. रेक्टिफाई द फॉर्मूला एंड आई विल गिव यू ऑल द फॉर्मूला टुमारो मॉर्निंग. सो इफ यू कैन go through the formula, that's all, that's it, and then we look at a few shortcuts as we go along. Okay, so that's the target for this week. So in case you want to join us, we have given the number in the description box. Just call the number or you can call the number given here as well. Yep. So we're launching this new batch from 8th. So this is going to be the complete timetable for that batch. So this is those who want to start now, June 8th. This is the complete timetable. You can pause the video or you can download the sheet from cetking.com/weekly. Yep. So this is my way to motivate my students. Yeah. Trust me, weekly targets is good way to keep yourself afloat. In fact, I recommend my students who have joined us earlier, forget everything, start fresh from this week target. Ignore everything else. Why? I'll tell you for that reason. Lot of time what happened, you might have joined the classes earlier, but you were kind of not able to study because of office work and all, or sometime what happened that we are not able to study because of some work in office, or we have a gap. So let's start from scratch. Forget about what happened last year. Let's start today from the new batch. Okay? Because we are going to study for the next 1 year and it can be scary at times because we're not used to study that long. And then we start feeling burnout. Yeah, 10 months left, 5 months still to study, or 2 months. I'm studying for the last 2 months. I've got 5 more months to go. So things can get scary at times, or too much to be done at times. So let's keep it simple. This is my way to keep things simple. Start with new fresh batch. Yeah, start everything new. Okay. So new, naya pyar, naya sab kuch. Obviously, all of us like all these things. Okay. So we are starting with a new thing. Okay. Superb. So 8th we are launching the batch. So in case you want to join a program, just call the numbers and my team will add you to the WhatsApp group. Now do get yourself added to the WhatsApp group for June 8 batch so that we can start fresh for the preparation. Okay. So this is a timetable for new batch and topic for this week. Fine. For our student, what I experimented last year was giving daily targets. I never used to do that because I used to believe that students are smart enough to do their own targets. But sometimes people don't do it. If you have your daily targets, great. Otherwise, we have for our students, what we are doing for our classroom students, we have a daily targets, light and heavy, light and heavy. So I'll just show you that. So yesterday was Saturday night. Saturday night, when everybody is in a party mode, this is what our students were doing. So I just give you a screenshot of our WhatsApp group of how we are joining us. All right, so let's go through that. This is our WhatsApp group of targets. So we're giving everyday targets. So target done, target done, target done. So this is what I can feel, the kind of a motivation or satisfaction, I would say, in the student mind when they post this thing. So this is the first part, and then continue, target done, target completed, target completed, target completed by all the students. So this is what I want to do. These small khushiyan will add up to a bigger score. Yeah, first of all, today you are June. Today we are in June. And if we're completing the target, last year I did this in last 1 month. Last 1 month I was giving targets every day. But this year I'm giving the targets every day. Yeah, we are giving the target every day. So we have a dedicated Sudarshan sir to take on the targets and to help the students. Yep. So same way you can follow. Today I'm giving the weekly targets. Same way we are going to divide it into everyday targets. So you can complete the targets. We are sorted. Yep. अब आपको कुछ नहीं सोचने का. Let's think about only this week, and within this week let's talk about today. Trust me, if you miss your target even by 1 or 2 days, you will feel the pinch, and that is the main thing. I also understand at times you're not able to complete the target, but that feeling is very important. Yep, that you are doing so, you are missing on something. Trust me, this is the difference between a coaching and a non-coaching self-study. Self-study, if you are working, if you have college, and if you miss studying for 2-3 days, there is no one to ask you. Yeah, obviously you'll feel bad, but there is no one to ask you. But here, if you see 20 other people are posting Saturday night, 8:45 p.m. If this guy is coming and posting, Tushar, Varun, take anybody example, Shubham, Ashish, Neha Kumari. So obviously you'll feel the pinch. Yeah, if you don't post. Yes. So this is our WhatsApp group for the targets. Alright, so there are two kind of target. One is the entrance, one is the advanced target. Advanced target is for the people who have taken the gap year, who have can dedicate more time. So for them, we have a task every day. They have advanced level task, and we have a target for light target or entrant targets. Those are working, they can keep it light. Okay.